Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have been on the national news many times. I have worked at IRS a long time. I've been doing this for 51 years. If anyone tells you anything different from me, they're lying to you. I know what IRS does. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff, which is kind of really cool. I got the best. If you haven't filed tax returns in over 10 years, there's kind of a bit of good news for you, believe it or not. You're thinking, what could be good news? Well, you only have to file 6 years. That's it. IRS has a policy statement. You can look it up yourself. It's P5 133. That policy statement that you can look up says you only have to file the last 6. That's it. You have to file your state returns. State may be different, but for the federal, you only have to file the last 6 years. So you're thinking, gee, where am I going to get my records? What am I going to do? Is IRS still going to be after me? Well, the process is simple. Somebody, whether us, whoever files a power of attorney, IRS can only contact that power of attorney. Then someone prepares, whether it's us or someone else, the last 6 years tax returns. IRS has your 1099s and W-2s on file on your IRS portal. You probably didn't know that. You can go and find your 1099s and W-2s, or maybe your cash. Are there ways to reconstruct returns and get them out? Yes. There's actually regional statistics, local statistics that you have. There's a whole bunch of different things that you can use to reconstruct your tax returns. So if you filed over 10 years, it's really easy to get back in the system. What happens? Most people, as a former agent, I used to knock on the door, so I know. Fear and angst and worry, oh my God, what's going to happen? What are we going to do? Anyway, at some point in time, you are going to have to get back in the system really for one reason. IRS has hired all these people, and they're going to start looking up people who haven't filed. That's one of their first priorities. So there's a reason you want to file first. If you file first, IRS isn't going to look through all your stuff. However, if you wait for IRS to come out, IRS is going to go through stuff because that's part of their investigation. So anyone, if you do need someone to file your returns and negotiate with IRS, give me a call. At least give me a subscription. Thank you very much. Stop being afraid. It's not worth it to be afraid. Just get back in the system. Thank you.